If you're looking to manage inventory in ShopWired, you're in the right place. But stick around till the end, because we'll show you some tips on how to make it easier, faster, and even mention a few alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. First things first, ShopWired offers a basic inventory management system that allows you to track and manage stock directly from your dashboard. But what if you're looking for more than just a simple overview? Managing your inventory in ShopWired is all about staying organized and keeping track of your product stock levels, and here's how you can do that more effectively. The first thing you'll want to do is get familiar with the product catalog. ShopWired's catalog is pretty straightforward. You can add products manually or in bulk using CSV files. This means if you're transitioning from another platform, you won't have to add items one by one, which can save you a ton of time. But even though it's relatively easy to use, there are some limitations when it comes to bulk updates, which might be frustrating if you have a large product range. Next thing, setting up stock levels. When you add a product to your ShopWired store, you can specify a quantity for each item. You'll also have the option to enable stock tracking, which lets you monitor inventory levels in real time. However, while the stock alert system is functional, it's not as customizable as some other systems. If you need specific alerts for different stock levels or want more detailed reporting, this could feel a bit basic. The third thing, integrating with suppliers. ShopWired allows you to manually input supplier details for your products, but it doesn't offer an automatic integration with suppliers, unlike some of the more advanced inventory systems. This can be a hassle if you're trying to streamline your processes. You're stuck manually updating information, and that's time-consuming, especially if you're running a large store. Now, let's talk about reporting. ShopWired provides basic reporting tools that show you how much stock you have left and when it's running low. You can also see sales data that can help you forecast future inventory needs. But when it comes to advanced analytics, the reporting is a bit limited. If you're looking for deep, data-driven insights to really optimize your inventory management, ShopWired's tools might not cut it for more complex needs. The fifth thing, stock control and auditing. ShopWired gives you the ability to adjust stock manually, which is great for correcting mistakes or accounting for damaged goods. But the system is a bit lacking in features like automatic stock adjustments or multi-location stock management, which can be a deal breaker if you're running a large, multi-channel business. If that's something you need, you might want to look elsewhere. Lastly, let's talk about alternatives. If you're finding that ShopWired's inventory management tools are too basic for your business, there are other options out there that offer better automation, multi-location management, and deeper insights into your stock. And in fact, we've partnered with one of those alternatives to give you an exclusive and extended free trial, so you can test it out and see if it works better for you. We'll leave a link below for you to get the best deal with no commitments. To wrap things up, while ShopWired is a solid platform for basic inventory management, there are other solutions that might serve your business better depending on your specific needs. Remember, through our link, you can get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So don't wait. Check out the alternatives and make managing your inventory as easy as it should be.